What is going on YouTube? Hit it back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, as you guys saw in the title, we're going to be doing an in-depth analysis of the AAX crypto derivative. I can't fucking speak. What is going on YouTube? Hidden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, as you guys saw in the title, we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis of the crypto derivatives exchange AAX. They've actually managed to sponsor today's episode, and as you guys know on the channel, we like to do a ton of different, analysis, technical analysis, and obviously the main feature we use to make money here on the channel is by using certain exchanges to capitalize off gains, whether it's using the derivatives, margin trading, leverage, which has the best technical analysis, charts, as well as shorting and things of that nature, which has the most cryptocurrency, things such as that. That's why, we do the analysis on these exchanges to find the best one. And as we know, there are tons of different exchanges popping up all over. So without further ado, if you are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up as this does help support the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, CryptoVOfficial. This way, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can DM me over there. And let's jump right into the analysis. All right, as you guys can see on this screen, I do have the AAX.com pulled up right here. Now, this is pretty much, worldwide, can be used pretty much anywhere. If you have trouble accessing this, they do recommend using a VPN or Tor for those in the United States, but I've had no problem activating this and accessing this right now. And when it does give me difficulties, I can always just switch over to Tor or a VPN to, go to trading. So as you guys can see, it looks very nice. It's very clean. It's a very sleek website, unlike some other, exchanges that we've seen in the past. It's not overcrowded. It's not too difficult to understand just from the loading screen. Obviously, as we dive into this, maybe things will change and we'll obviously point them out. But just looking at this right now for the first time, it really doesn't look too bad. I like this a lot. I like the colors. It's very easy. I like the dark, the dark atmosphere that it brings. But as you guys can see right here, I'm scrolling through, you can see the different coins that we're starting to see offered. BCH, we have USDT, Ethereum, Bitcoin. We do have USD, which is also very interesting. We're going to have to look more into that. You can see the digital assets are leading the charge. Great growth, share wealth with AAX. Top performance for fast trading. Security for assets, deep liquidity, easy to use, 24/7 service, trade anywhere. Very interesting, very cool. It seems like this has been around for quite some time now. I think a little over a year or two. So I just want to check this out. They do have news and insights and things like that. But the website looks okay. I do have a bunch of different articles and tutorials and things like that as we dive into today's episode, just to kind of understand everything that's happening right now within AAX. But you can see right now we do have the ecosystem token, the AAX ecosystem token. We have the beginner's guide, academy, news and insights, supports, announcements, and also at the bottom, I noticed they show you guys the futures spot, as well as what I always like to look at, the fees of their resources, the fees that are, expected to be seen on exchanges such as AAX. But also we're going into the buy crypto. So we have the OTC trading, which I'm pulling up right now as this loads. So you can see right now, they have a one-click buy of different tokens, things like that. So then we go to OK over here, and you guys can clearly see the different tokens that are offered by USDT right here. We have BTC over here, and then we have the AAB. These are what I want to buy and I want to sell. We then go to, as we had there, fast buy, and then we go to the exchange, which I want to check out in a second. So this is where we can buy and sell crypto. This is actually pretty interesting and unique. I really like how you can actually buy USD as well as Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDT, Batron. It's been fairly difficult to find different exchanges right now in the United States to actually purchase crypto, and especially these that are offered here. So that's definitely a unique feature that they offer on their website. Very interesting. We then go to what I wanted to check out is the exchange right here. What is offered? They have the unique and easy exchanges right here, fiat to crypto or crypto to fiat. They have all these different, or just to USDT as well as Bitcoin. We go to spot right here. Let's see what's offered on spot trading. That's what I like as well. Let's see how many things are offered as this pulls up. All right, let's check this out. They have Bitcoin. Okay, here we go. So they have quite a bit of different altcoins offered right now to USDT, and I believe quite a bit offered to Bitcoin, Link, Ethereum, COMP, BCH, BSV, XRP, Litecoin, EOS, Tron, Ethereum Classic, or a ton. I mean, a ton. This is actually really nice to see another exchange that actually offers a ton of different altcoins and cryptocurrencies, XLM, Zcash, Quantum. So for those of you guys that are interested in learning how to trade, XRP or Bitcoin or Ethereum and want another exchange besides the ones that we use, this might be another alternative as well. So I do like that they offer a ton of different spot trading possibilities on this. Obviously, I am having a little difficulty able to trade this due to the fact that I'm in the US, but if you go onto Tor or you go onto a VPN, it is very easy to access. So besides the website, which looks extremely clean, I'm fairly happy with how consistent the website is and how easy it is to understand. I want to bring us over to the review right here. So this is on Coin Bureau, the complete exchange overview. And it talks just a little bit about what is AAX. So it's a crypto exchange which describes itself as an institutional grade platform for everyone. It is the first digital currency exchange powered by London Stock Exchange Group technology. This is the same technology used for stock trading on the London Stock Exchange, the Singapore Stock Exchange, and the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, and the Borsa Italiana. So it talks about the AAX overview based in Southeast Asia. That's interesting as well. It talks about the owner, the CEO, and the regulations they have here, and whether or not the exchange is safe. So this is the best part. Yes, the AAX crypto exchange keeps most of the digital assets in cold storage wallets that require multiple parties to access. AAX even offers insured custody of cryptocurrencies upon request. AAX also has Kroll as its security advisor, company which assesses structural risks for over 4,000 companies around the world. Talks about the restrictions, things like that. Obviously, the US is one of those restrictions. Talks about the KYC. So obviously, they're fairly legit. They have to have the, the KYC, your customer, where you have to obviously verify yourself before maybe you can make really big trades, as we know. But otherwise, it doesn't look bad. And then, like I said, as I mentioned earlier, the fees, you can see right here, these are the trading fees. So unlike most crypto exchanges, their fees are very transparent, easily accessible under the fee schedule for trading and withdrawal. Spot trading fees on AAX are some of the lowest of any exchange and can be further reduced with greater trading volume. So the more you trade in volume, the cheaper the fees. That's also very interesting for some of the big crypto hodlers and traders that we know of right now. They also have the fiat withdrawals, which is very interesting as well. Granted, I feel like some of this is definitely easier for the people outside of the US because I haven't heard of these payment gateways, but maybe some of you guys have. But the fact that you can purchase this with Visa and MasterCard is also quite unique, if you ask me. And the fact that it supports over 40 cryptocurrencies and this can be accessed using a VPN or Tor is also fairly unique. They do have a Twitter pulled up right here, so this is where they talk about all their updates, things like that. Very nice. They have a fairly large following, over 14,000 followers just on their Twitter alone, which is not something you see, and it's not quite common with some other smaller, all our exchanges in the market space right now, as we know, the crypto space. So honestly, it looks fairly unique, fairly nice. This is also some very interesting stuff. So I went even farther and looked up on the coin market cap. I went and looked up their exchange, the cryptocurrencies that is offered, and the trading volume that they have. And you can see it was launched on the 16th of September in 2019, which is, it's been out for quite a while. I feel like all the bugs and issues probably have been worked out, all the kinks by now. And it has offices in Europe and Asia and claims to be the first crypto exchange to be powered, like we said, about the LSEG technology. And you can see these are all the currency pairs that they have, which is quite a bit if you ask me. All these different altcoins, I know it's definitely a little difficult for some of us to access these in the US, but now that we have an alternative to this, it might be something worth checking out by using Tor or a VPN. They also have a website right here on the academy.aax.com, which basically is like a beginner tutorial website that shows you things like the MACD, how to buy crypto with cash, how to trade futures, things of that nature. You can see all of these right here. I also want to talk about how to calculate P&L on the AAX exchange. It's basically about switching to estimated P&L with the mark price or the latest market price. As you guys can see here on the screen, you can basically basically choose futures, then you choose your order, and then you choose the unrealized P&L. Once you choose this, you can then monitor the P&L with either the mark price or the latest market price. These are just a few tips from AAX to help you guys better your trades. And then lastly, I want to talk about the AAX profit poster and how you can get rewarded with their giveaway that they're hosting. As you guys can see right here, it shows the week 1 to 3. You can share your AAX profit poster and get rewarded with USDT. It talks about that their bonus promotion has been a rapid increase in the new registrations and trading volumes. To thank their users, they're going to be offering this bonus here on the exchange, and basically just share your profits on the screen, how much you've made, and you can post it on Twitter, and then you can pretty much just gain, USDT. It shows you guys right here. I guess this is to weed out people that don't really use Twitter, or maybe it's just a bot or fake accounts. You can see right here, it talks about how you can participate. Twitter pages must have 50 plus followers. Telegram groups must have 300 plus members. AX communities do not count. And then you get rewarded with $300 rewards each week for 3 weeks. First come, first serve. Week 1, it shows you from February 1st to February 7th right now. And I guess there's about 3 to 2 days left for the week 3, which is available right now, where you can basically get a $5 USDT bonus, and you can see all these right here. So definitely make sure to check it out. These are the terms and conditions right here. I did link them in the description down below. Otherwise, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. Once again, huge shout out for AAX for sponsoring today's episode, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.